Alright guys, so today our boys at American Modified just hooked me up with another cool little surprise. The grill for the good old girl, the Ram 2500. So let's go ahead and get to unboxing this grill, see what's inside the box, what it looks like, and then let's put it on the truck, see what it looks like on it. Alright, let's get this baby opened up, see what we got in the box. Like always, good instructions, nice and clear. Again, color instruction, the main pumpkin right here. This looks absolutely mean, guys. Look at this. Got my LEDs in there. And the best part of it, so I know a lot of people are gonna be like, be quiet, bro. I love that it's already got the studs in there. Other grills, you used to have to like put the studs in and into the new grill. Like even if you get like a factory one, you gotta put the studs into the new grill. You got your LED, simple enough, same as the other stuff we've been wiring up. Ground and power, and should be a relatively easy one. I don't like to say that because then I mess up and something bad always happens, but should be a relatively easy thing to put on, and so far so good. Let's see what it looks like on the truck. Snap it on. I comment over to the truck. This is what we got on. This is an 04 2500, but it's had the 06 front end swapped in it. By no means is this a, oh my god, it's a show truck. This truck gets ridden hard, get used, and she's seen better days. She's got a little bit of sun kiss from the beautiful Florida sun, but not an issue because we're about to transform the way this baby looks in the front. Let's get to it. Step one to putting your new grill on. Pop your trunk. Wait, what the fuck am I saying? Pop your hood. Hi guys, so the main tool you're gonna need is an 8mm deep socket. Of course, if you got a handgun, cool. If not, then ratchet that thing off. Then some wire strippers and a wire crimper so you can wire up your new lights on your grill. Then basically all you're gonna do is you're gonna go around, find your 8 mils. Here, and then you see the little studs sticking up on the top. I'm missing one there. There's one. Here's the other. Missing one there. And there's the other one there. Once you get all those 8 mils off, the whole thing is gonna come off. And you'll be able to just snap the other one on. So let's go ahead and get to that. I'll put it on a time lapse. Gets this nuts off of here. The top side is gonna be your studs, so you're just gonna kind of line it up in the hole in the mold of the actual hood. Alright guys, so right here I just focused on starting to get some nuts on the studs on the end of it, and just keep going down that way, because I will push the other side and the other side will come out. So just start working your way on one end all the way down and start getting nuts in the studs, and then you can kind of walk them from the middle, tying them up from the middle out. Alright, so as you guys can see, those are gonna take a little bit of playing around. This truck has been crashed in the front before, so I'm sure things will probably align a lot better on yours. But you know, push down, I start from the middle, tying up the middle, then started on the outsides and kind of work my way around, and just get your 1, 2, 3, and 4 factory bolts through there, and that'll conclude the installation of it. Of course, I have some other clips on mine, so I'm gonna have to swap out the clips and put these clips in. These ones are a little bit smaller, so it's not gonna go through the factory clips that are supposed to be on there. But anyways, you shouldn't have that issue because you probably have the stock stuff. Alright guys, this is what the grill looks like installed. Again, my truck was head in the front, so it's probably not the best fit in the world, but it looks pretty cool, pretty mean. Alright, let's go ahead and wire it up. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wire this up to my cigarette lighter. In this case is number 29. We come over here, find number 29, I'm gonna pull my fuse. Pull the fuse, got myself a matching fuse tap, put it in there, and wired it up. Alright guys, so just so you end up seeing what I did, there is my tap for my fuse. This is how people usually do it. I don't like it. This was done prior to me, but there's my tap, there's my ground. I put the ground to the battery. It's fine, you can do it however you want to. And then I just ran the wire through there, put a zip tie there. I'm about to put another one in here just to hold that out of the way. Kind of hold that out the way there. Then I'm gonna put one on that on the light bar right there, just holding it down. That way you can't see it through there. But that's how I ran it. Got plenty of wire. I just ran it through that channel, brought it out through here, sitting here now, and on my fuse box. Alright guys, so the install is done. We're gonna fire it up. Let's back her up a little bit so we can see what she looks like. Got a pigeon in there with that. That looks pretty sick. What y'all think? The grill looks pretty mean, pretty easy to install. Done.